To produce the millions of pounds of popcorn consumed annually, the process begins with these perfectly formed kernels.
The process begins here, in the fields, where massive harvesters slice through the thick corn stalks.
The journey begins at dawn. Massive silos stand ready to receive the raw product that will soon become movie theater popcorn.
Here in the Quality Control Lab, every batch of kernels is rigorously inspected for color,
This high-speed optical sorter scans the passing kernels with bright flashing LEDs. Defective kernels are
Freshly verified kernels flow into a long stainless steel washing channel. High-pressure water jets rinse the grains as they... Dried kernels pass under a high-speed magnetic separator. A rotating magnetic bar attracts tiny metallic contaminants, shown...
It all starts when the kernels hit the chamber, instantly expanding in the intense heat.
The horizontal air cooling system activates, blowing powerful jets of cool air from below. This lifts and shifts the
The popcorn flows from the hopper into an automated weighing system. Multiple digital weighheads ensure precise amounts are released down the tubes.
Weighed popcorn drops into high-speed vertical bagging machines, which form, fill, and seal the bags with synchronized precision.
Each popcorn bag passes through an automated weight check tunnel. A digital display instantly
Utilizing precision suction grippers, the robotic arm swiftly sorts the approved bags, placing them neatly into cartons with smooth, synchronized motion.
Modified cartons move efficiently to the automated palletizer. The robotic arm precisely lifts and stacks each box onto the wooden pallet.
Inside the distribution center, forklifts transport the pallets across the polished concrete floors to the towering storage racks.
The popcorn is scooped fresh from the warmer, ready for the next stage of the process. This summer, one man will discover that some secrets are worth fighting for.